We have rightfully learned a lot about political significance of our constitution and its maker, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. But it is more than law. It is a living document, open to amendment, interpretation, and real world application. No single branch of Union of India holds final authority on it. The legislature, executive, and judiciary safeguard it together. Ultimately, the people of India are its true custodians. It is in them sovereignty rests. More importantly, the Constitution is a social contract as it represents a foundational agreement where citizens surrender some individual freedoms to the state in exchange for order, protection, and the pursuit of common good, welfare of all citizens. Everyone is supposed to apply some restrictions on their personal liberties in order to ensure liberties to fellow citizens. The contract can be amended reflecting the change of will of the people over time. However, today we are exploring the Constitution, its making, and its existence as a book, handwritten in English by Prem Bihari Narayan Raisada and in Hindi by Vasant Krishan Vaidya. Every page of the Constitution is a work of art, decorated by artists from Shanti Niketan, led by eminent artist and principal of Kalabhavan, Nandalal Bose, and Byohar Ram Manohar Sinha. In addition to the emblem and preamble, there are 22 illustrations, one at the beginning of each part of the Constitution, representing episodes from different periods of Indian history. The illustrations are Mohenjo-daro seals, Vedic ashram, conquest of Lanka and recovery of Sita, Krishna propounding Gita to Arjuna, Buddha's life, Mahavir's life, spread of Buddhism by Emperor Ashoka, art from Gupta period, Vikramaditya's court, Nalanda University, Orissa sculpture, image of Nataraja, Mahabalipuram sculpture, Emperor Akbar with Mughal architecture, Chhatrapati Shivaji and Guru Gobind Singh, Rani Lakshmibai and Tipu Sultan, Gandhiji's Dandi March, Bapuji's tour of Navkhali making peace, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and other patriots, the Himalayas, the desert, and the ocean. The artists of Shanti Niketan included Dinanath Bhargava, credit also for the illustration of emblem, Vinayak Shivaram Masoji, Biswarup Bose, A. Perumal, Nivedita Bose, Amala Sarkar, Dhirendra Krishnadev Burman, Gauri Banja, Jamuna Sen, Jagdish Mittal, Bani Patel, Rajnidhi Singh, Kripal Singh, Sumitra Narayan, and other students of Kalabhavan, Shanti Niketan. Our constitution is world's largest written national constitution. At the time of its commencement, it had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. Handmade mill-borne lawn paper made at the Pune Handmade Paper Institute was used for writing the Constitution, a monument in ink. 1,000 copies of the handwritten document was made using a printing technique called photolithography by the North Printing Group of Survey of India at Dehradun. 2 photolithography machines named Sovereign and Monarch, manufactured by UK's R.W. Crabtree and Sons. These copies were distributed to parliamentarians and prominent national leaders. The original manuscripts are preserved in the Parliament Library. The history of the Indian Constitution begins with the formation of the Constituent Assembly in 1946, which drafted the document over nearly 3 years. The Government of India Act 1935, drafted by Samuel Hoare, provided the basis for the Constitution. The objective resolution presented by Jawaharlal Nehru on December 13, 1946, established the guiding principles for the Indian Constitution and eventually became the preamble. Sardar Patel played a crucial role in the making of the Indian Constitution by integrating the princely states and by serving as the chairman of key committees such as the Fundamental Rights and Minorities Committees. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on January 26, 1950. To commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India, the Constitution Day, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated on 26th November every year. In addition to the Constituent Assembly and Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, known as Father of Indian Constitution, the core contributors in making the Indian Constitution were the staff of the Constituent Assembly Secretariat, whose names are unfortunately not recorded for honors, who took notes of the debates and decisions of the Assembly and converted into legal language and constitution format. Chief Draftsman Mr. S.N. Mukherjee, Sri H.V.R. Iyengar, Secretary to the Constituent Assembly, and Sir B.N. Rao, Advisor to the Constituent Assembly, played key roles in the making of the Constitution. The drafting committee, under the chairmanship of Dr. Ambedkar, consisted N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, K. M. Munshi, Syed Muhammad Sadullah, B. L. Mitter, later replaced by N. Madhav Rao, and D. P. Khaitan, later replaced by T. T. Krishnamajari. There were 15 women members, including Sarojini Naidu, in the Assembly. They called for equal rights for one and all, at a time when women in many parts of the world were denied even basic rights in everyday life. The Assembly met for the first time on 9th December 1946 and final session was held on 24th January 1950, when the Constitution was signed. 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the final handwritten version of the Constitution. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first to sign the Constitution. The last person to sign the Indian Constitution was Feroz Gandhi. Dr. Professor M. V. Paili and Dr. D. D. Basu were the earliest popular writers on the Indian Constitution.